Imagine the Earth as a giant layered cake, each layer with a unique function. Deep beneath our feet, there are layers that help protect us, sustain life, and keep the planet's balance in check. Modern geology has spent centuries studying the Earth's structure, revealing the core, mantle, and crust. But what if ancient scripture had already described this layered structure long before science had the tools to confirm it? In Surah An-Nazi'at, chapter 79, verses 30 to 32, the Quran makes an intriguing statement. And after that, he spread the earth. He extracted from it its water and its pasture, and the mountains he set firm. At first glance, this might sound like a simple description of the earth's surface, but the word used for spread here in Arabic, dahaha, means to spread out or lay out something flat, much like how a bed is spread out. This suggests an understanding of the Earth's surface, which in modern geology is considered a part of the crust. But that's not all. The next part of the verse mentions mountains being set firm, indicating how the Earth's surface is not just smooth, but full of mountains, which play a significant role in the stability of the Earth. Now let's dive deeper. In modern geology, we know the Earth's structure consists of three main layers: the core at the center, the mantle above it, and the crust that forms the surface. These layers are essential for maintaining the balance of the planet. The core is made of metal and is incredibly hot, yet it keeps the planet's magnetic field intact. The mantle consists of molten rock, which shifts and moves, creating tectonic activity. The crust, the outermost layer, is where we live, firm yet constantly shifting due to tectonic plates. But the Quran, written centuries ago, appears to highlight these layers in subtle terms. While not directly naming them as modern geology does, the firmness of mountains and the spreading of the Earth's surface imply a deep understanding of the Earth's structure. The mountains, which the Quran mentions specifically, play a critical role in stabilizing the Earth's crust, something we only came to understand through the science of plate tectonics. Geologists later confirmed that mountains are formed as a result of tectonic forces caused by the movement of the Earth's plates. The Quran's mention of mountains being set firm points to their stabilizing role in the Earth's delicate balance. In addition, the Quran also references the Earth being spread out, which aligns with the understanding of the Earth's crust, the thin outer layer compared to the deeper, denser mantle and core. This knowledge of Earth's structure was well beyond the grasp of ancient civilizations who believed the Earth was flat or rested on the back of a giant animal. But the Quran presented a vision of the Earth as a dynamic system where the mountains, surface, and layers all work in harmony. It's easy to dismiss these ancient descriptions as poetic or metaphorical, but when you align them with modern science, they start to sound more like an early description of what geologists would discover much later. How could the Quran, without access to modern tools, microscopes, or satellites, offer such accurate insight into the structure of the Earth? Some might argue that these could just be coincidences, but given how specific and precise these descriptions are in relation to modern scientific knowledge, it raises an interesting question. Could this be a divine insight, or was it simply a reflection of ancient wisdom passed down through generations? Today, scientists continue to study the Earth's layers, constantly learning more about our planet's inner workings. The study of plate tectonics, earthquakes, and volcanic activity all point to the dynamic nature of the Earth, just as the Quran described long ago. The Quran's references to the spreading of the Earth, the firmness of mountains, and the stability of the planet seem to echo the findings of modern geology. So the next time you think about the Earth beneath your feet, remember the layers that keep everything in balance, layers that were described with remarkable accuracy in ancient scripture. Could it be that the Quran was speaking of something far beyond its time? Or is this simply a poetic description of nature? If this opened your eyes, be sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. What other scientific discoveries might we find hidden in ancient texts? Thanks for watching, and next time you step on solid ground, think about the complex layers keeping everything in place beneath you.